Welcome to my channel. I'm back to introduce another training course. This course is ideal for beginners, small business owners, and professionals looking to improve their design skills. They will learn how to create stunning designs using Microsoft Designer and easily edit, share, and export their work. By the end of the course, participants will be able to create professional and eye-catching designs for a variety of needs. This course has over 26,000 students and holds a 4.4 rating, making it a successful and practical option. Its current price is around €25. By purchasing the course, you will have full access to it and benefit from all future updates. The course lasts 1 hour and you will receive a certificate of completion afterward. Here is what you'll learn: understanding the Microsoft Designer interface and tools, how to create and edit graphics using Microsoft Designer, including manipulating shapes, lines, colors, and gradients. Create visually appealing layouts for various types of content, including presentations, posters, and social media graphics. Export designs in various formats and share them with others, including how to collaborate with others in real time. Create text effects and designs to create dynamic and engaging content. Now, I want to give you access to this great course for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser and in Google's search bar, type the address discountedcourseninja.com. From the search results shown, click on the appropriate link. Make sure the website address matches the one shown here, and you'll be redirected to discountedcourseninja.com. Once you click the link, you'll land on the site's homepage. Here you can find various discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to find the course you're looking for. You can also browse by category to explore other topics. Here, you'll be able to view our featured course. To get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click the Get the Coupon button. The course will now be available to you for free. Note that the coupon has a time limit. With just a few clicks, you now have free and legal access to this course. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.